Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to share Wix website without publishing. All right. This is basically like showing a demo. Okay. Now to share Wix website without publishing it, use the feature that is called Get Feedback. This allows you to generate a unique link that can be shared with others, enabling them to view the website and leave comments, even though it's not live for the general public. Now to demonstrate, just go ahead over to your site section right here in the left panel. Click on it. Now go ahead and open the site. Okay. Click on it and wait for it to open. Now in here, just go to the top and click on Edit Site. Click. Now in here, just go to the top left. Click on this icon with the 3 horizontal lines, as you can see. Just click on it. Now hover your mouse onto site. Now in here, just click on Get Client Feedback. Okay. Just click on it. Wait for it to load. Now, if you are using the Wix editor, you'll be able to see site in here. Just do the same thing. Use the client feedback. Okay. As you can see here, it says share this site link with your client so they can easily add their comments without having to log into Wix. Okay. Now you can either type down the email addresses one by one, or you can just copy the link. Okay. I'm going to open up a incognito right here, and I'm going to paste the link. I'm going to hit on enter. Wait for it to load. And there you have it. As you can see here, while the site remains unpublished, you can just easily share this link. And most importantly, only those with a unique link can access it. This method is ideal for gathering feedback from team members, clients, or others before the website goes live. It allows for controlled collaboration feedback without exposing the site to the public. They can just easily click on Add Comms right here if necessary. And there you have it. That's how you share a Wix website without publishing. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.